Hey, Aboriginal Flips here, doing an introduction video. I originally wanted my first video to be a unboxing and an introduction, but I got a little bit too excited, and I just opened it right away and started flipping. So yeah, Aboriginal Flips. I'm a Canadian flipper. Started mid-November, somewhere around there. My very first balisong was a 3D printed one that a coworker of mine actually made. By then I was just like learning the openings. Yeah. I was actually able to get the rollover done with it. But anything else I tried, it just flung away. But I really love that thing. It was nice. And it's MIA now. I don't know where it went. Lost in my place somewhere. I have a Amazon one right here. Holy fuck. Smoked a little bit too much there. Yeah. But yeah, Amazon one here, which I got after the 3D printed one. Not this one. I bought my own Amazon one, but I was flipping it on my way to work and I just kind of dropped it too many times. There's a sandwich one, and the screws kept falling out of it, and it just broke. Now the handles are just like everywhere. It's got like 4 handles. Yeah, and then my good friend of mine gave me this one here, which I was very happy for, because this thing carries quite a bit of momentum. Ooh, like the weight just carries it. I was so happy that it helped me get these chaplains done. Ooh. And then I wanted to pursue more into the hobby. My passion for it started growing. And then I got myself the Squid Trainer V4. Oh, I just love that sound. When I fan it, just hearing that wheel, 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 wheel. I love it. Oh. Oh, I messed that up. Yeah. Almost did the reverse there. Yeah. Yeah, I got into it more. Got this thing on December 29th. And I never really put it down since. Carried it to work. Dropped it quite a bit. Yeah. Has tap now. Minimal play. Oh. Oh. Almost did it. Yeah. I believe that was the draft or something like that. Yeah. Another move I've been practicing. Yeah. And then there's the chatter as well. Yeah. So I really love flipping balisongs now. But I'm so sad that I will not be able to get like a tsunami or something like that, like a legit one. Yeah. And then recently I just wanted something lighter, and then I had a lot of options, and I kind of left it in my friend's hands, and then someone that I follow on YouTube, one of my inspiring people that I like to watch, goes by Balisong guy. He's got some pretty awesome content. And then, except he suggested, I think it was the Arm Shark one, Arm Shark Nautilus. And I had a clone, not that I wasn't happy with it, I loved it, but I have another thing that I like to collect, and I wanted that more than the Nautilus clone, and I traded it for this thing, which is fucking amazing. Foam tape on there. Not disappointed. So, knowing that I like the Nautilus, and then Balisong guys saying, get the Nautilus, rather than the, I think my other option was the glider Antarctic or Arctic. Yeah. So I was like, okay, I'm getting myself a Squid Industries Nautilus V2, which I do not regret. Regret. Fuck off. But yeah, I love it. Super grippy, really light. So I have more better control when I'm trying to get that inverse chatter down, which I will have locked down pretty soon. It didn't take that long to get used to doing the chatter. Oh, my bad. Yeah. Oh. Fuck yeah, I did it. That's awesome. But yeah, absolutely love this thing. And I will be doing more videos. Glad to have got this introduction done. See ya.